Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy buffalo chicken sandwich. Mostly we're going to be talking about the mixture that goes inside of the sandwich today rather than the sandwich element of the sandwich. So in your pan, you're going to melt a couple tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to add about half a block of cream cheese. You're going to want the cream cheese to melt, so it's going to be a little bit easier if it's at room temperature or if you cut it up into small cubes first. Then you're going to add about 4 cups of shredded chicken, and you can use whatever chicken you'd like. You could use a rotisserie chicken. You could have some chicken that you've maybe cooked yourself, like a breast or a thigh. This part's really up to you. Personally, I think rotisserie chicken is the easiest, but that's just me. So you're going to add about 4 cups of that to your pan just so that it can get nice and warm. And then you're going to add some cheddar cheese, and you want to measure this cheddar cheese with your heart, about 1/3 of a cup to 3/4 of a cup here. You're going to add a little bit of chicken broth, and then you're just going to give that a quick mix. And you're going to add some Frank's Red Hot. We're using the wings kind, but you could use whatever Frank's Red Hot or really whatever hot sauce you have. We prefer Frank's. And you just want to mix that up until it comes together. And if you wanted to, you could add a couple other things too. If you wanted to add some garlic, you could. Some ranch powder would be really good in this. Any other cheeses that you maybe wanted to add. And then for the video, we're using some nice French bread. You could use whatever kind of bread you have. It would be really good, like toasted with some butter, some garlic butter on it. I like a nice toasted bun for my sandwiches personally. You just want to make sure that all of that is really mixed together really well. You could add some other toppings as well if you wanted. You could add some lettuce and some tomato. We're doing real basic. We're doing just the buffalo chicken and a little bit of blue cheese. I'm a ranch person. Personally, I would have added some ranch, but that's just me. But that's it. This is a really simple and easy meal, and it's delicious. It's a crowd favorite. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.